I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating directly to Personal Hotspot or Portable Hotspot. This gets the phone ready. Turn the hotspot toggle on and choose WPA2 for security so neighbors can't jump on. Once done, set a clear SSID and a strong password. Write them down or copy to clipboard, because you'll need them on the client device. Make sure mobile data is active and has good signal, since the hotspot shares your cellular connection rather than Wi-Fi. Next, you refine settings. Choose the AP band, pick 2. 4 GHz for older devices or 5 GHz for faster local speeds, because compatibility matters. Then limit the maximum number of connected devices to preserve bandwidth and battery life, and enable auto disconnect to save power when idle. If your client supports it, toggle USB tethering or Bluetooth tethering. These provide a more stable link or lower latency. Make sure hotspot timeout settings won't cut the connection while you're transferring files. To finish, open Wi-Fi on the client, find the SSID you noted, and type the password exactly. Caps and symbols matter. Then confirm connection. If Wi-Fi pairing fails, plug a USB cable and enable USB tethering for an immediate link, or try Bluetooth tethering for low-throughput tasks. If the client connects but there's no internet, toggle mobile data on your Realme and reboot the phone. This often resolves carrier or APN hiccups. One quick troubleshooting tip: reset hotspot settings if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.